Gonna do yacht vibes. I'm so excited because I wanted to do this yesterday, but we're gonna do it today. And it's gonna take us out. We're gonna have paddle boards. I'm so freaking excited. So we're starting our day off with yoga. Y'all know I love yoga.
Drag your body weight forward, pushing with your toes around the way, creating balance.
Headed to the private yacht today. Y'all excited?
No. Hey.
I said, are y'all excited? All my babies, we headed to. No, can I get a? No, just saying. We headed to the yacht, y'all. Oh. My bro's in the back. We ready. We excited. We can't wait. It's a quick ride, hopefully. And I'm excited to see what the boat look like because I've never been on a private yacht. Have y'all? Oh, excuse me.
Oh, every day. That's rich talk.
Oh.
I ain't got it like that, but I've been on it a couple
Oh, okay. So they've been on. They been to this. They not new to this. They true to this. But me personally, I don't know that I've ever been on a private yacht. My dad has a boat, but that's not a yacht. Okay, it's definitely levels to yachts. And yeah. So follow us. And I'm super excited for today. We about to get lit. Gracias. So sorry we're late.
Hola.
Here at the basket, please.
Hola.
Hola.
¿Cómo está? How are you?
¿Cómo estás?
Muy bien, muy bien. Hola, shoes in the basket, please. Señorita, it's a little.
Gracias.
Oh, man.
Sit down in the sun.
We made it, y'all. I'm gonna get the GoPro out in a second.
All right, so this is the men's bathroom.
Oh, this that with me and my man getting a little.
I'm pretty sure this is where they sleep.
Oh, I thought it was.
And this is the master suite right here.
I thought it was where me and my man got a little critical chat.
And this is where the ladies go. Ladies use it.
Let me see.
All right, let's go upstairs and then check out the upstairs, dude. That's what I want to check out.
Oh shoot.
Everybody got the nipple slipping.
Who runs? Man.
Your music?
Yeah.
Sure. What do you got
Okay,
here, boss?
this is a. You want to connect your Bluetooth?
Yep.
They said. Guys, the yacht was everything and more. It was absolutely beautiful. I'm reliving it, just looking at it and recording the voiceover for you guys and really visualizing a new vacation, okay? Because this was just absolutely stunning. It felt amazing outside. I know I'm late, but shout out to all my Virgos. We are truly unlike any other. Okay, so yeah, this is pretty much what the entire boat ride looked like. And I wish I could let y'all hear what the ocean waves sound like, because they are absolutely stunning, honey. But we blasting J. Cole. We blasting music. It was so much fun. We've been drinking on the boat ride, everything like that. So, yeah, guys, I highly recommend if you go to Cabo San Lucas that you get a yacht and go and with your friends, turn up, get your music, y'all get y'all coins together and come on, because it is stunning. All right, go ahead.
Jazz, you okay? You okay? You okay, baby? I'll take him.
So guys, I actually have fell into the water in the boat. I don't know if you peeped that, but I did actually fall. So my eyes were kind of burning and my eyelashes was coming off. So, you know, you're not loved if someone is not trying to save your eyelashes, okay? Make sure you shop JasmineKia.com. Even after I got in the ocean, chat, my eyelashes still came back to life. I ain't even gonna lie. And we just had so much fun. Like, I wish I could get on the yacht every weekend just for the fun of it. Like, yes, come on, yacht. Like, and some of my friends couldn't swim, but they still, you know, sat at the end and just was really, you know, cute, fun vibes. Isn't the ocean so cool looking underwater? So guys, I was getting turned up. It was some music going on. I was falling everywhere. I was having so much freaking fun. It was amazing. Again, y'all, it's music blasting, so that's the only reason I'm over here rapping, because y'all know I think I'm a rapper. Shout out to our amazing boat crew. We got Eliel.
Caesar, right?
We got Eliel
And Caesar.
Okay, señorita, good?
Yeah.
Perfecto.
Boo over here trying to pop out. You ain't even that big to be acting like
Get turned up. Get turned up. It's still my motherfucking birthday. Still my motherfucking birthday. Y'all got me fucked up. I get a what?
I'm not jumping.
Okay. Yes, y'all. I always get COVID tested. Always. Even though it hurts. Okay, y'all. So this is where things got a little crazy, okay? The next day, we proceeded to go to the pool. We met some new friends. We started taking shots. And next thing you know, it just led onto a full-blown twerk fest, crazy fest, party fest, shot fest. I mean, we had so much fun. We met so many people. We were the life of the party. We found some other women who were just so bomb. It was just the energy at the pool was just up. Everybody was just having a good time, enjoying themselves, and it was fun. We got a little too drunk, but that night was Mexican Independence Day, so we all met up again and proceeded to have beverages. And Mexican Independence Day is just like our Independence Day. There's fireworks, there's drinks, there's a lot of people with picnics. It's just a lot going on. So this happened literally the same night, or maybe it was the next night. I don't know, guys. I just know the night of Mexican Independence Day is always my last night here, and I know that because it's exactly like 5 days after my birthday. And so the resort just puts on a really nice show when everybody's dancing, and as you can see, it's just a vibe. Like, it's so beautiful. Breathless was such a beautiful spot, guys. Like, I recommend 10 out of 10 going there. Like, literally, the entertainment was so fun. Everybody was so nice, and the price was, I thought, pretty affordable for what you get. You know, you get what you pay for, and I thought it was really, really good. I do want to thank you guys so much for coming and watching this. Man, oh man, I'm a little late, but hey, better late than never. Thank you guys so much.